Hi, today in front of me iPad 10th generation, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Siri option on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap here to the Siri and search to find that section. Here we should be sure that press the button for Siri is activated, because if we'll turn off Siri, we just can't use this option. So we should click enable Siri, tap to continue and say Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Then just tap here to done, and one will say Hey Siri. We can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.